How to change the link sticker text in your Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily change the link sticker text on your Instagram story. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into the video. So the very first thing that you want to do is open up your Instagram and then create a story. So for that, just tap on the plus icon, and then from here you can just add any picture you want on your story. So once you select your background to your Instagram story, all you have to do is tap on the stickers icon or just swipe up on your screen. Now if you want to insert any link here, just tap on it and paste your customized URL or your website link. Now, if you don't add a customized text to your URL, it will show you as it is. You can see the preview here, so just tap on see preview and it will show you how it looks. But if you want to add a customized sticker stack, then you can just go ahead and type in here your sticker. But you have to be very careful as you cannot change it later. So be very mindful of what you type here. I'm just going to add my YT link. And then if you want, you can also add emojis. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a few emoji here like this to highlight it. Now once you do that, just tap on done. And as you can see here, it shows the my YT link and the sticker link text has been changed. So now you can just post the story and you're good to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.